For this experiment, we have our chicken Susie, and we're gonna be seeing if color affects the food that they want to eat. What you'll need for this experiment is a red pepper, a yellow pepper, a green pepper, an orange pepper, and a tape measure. And a chicken. So we're gonna need some chicken first. You need to cut some red, orange, yellow, and green peppers. And you'll need to get a chicken. Now set your peppers out in a row. You're gonna measure 4 feet from your pepper so you know where to put your chicken. You need to set your chicken down and see which pepper it goes to. We're doing the same thing as we did yesterday, but we changed the order of the peppers. Again, you're going to change the order of your peppers. The hypothesis was, if the amount of times a chicken picks a pepper is related to the color of the pepper, then the chicken will choose the brightest color, which is yellow. Completing the experiment, the hypothesis is accepted. The data shows that 2 out of 3 days the chicken picked yellow rather than the other colors. The first day she picked red, which is the second brightest color.